Good morning. Today my topic is nanowind technology. Nanowind technology. The first topic is classification of nanowind technology. What is mean by first of all nanowind technology? Nanowind means nanowind fabrics are products made of parallel, cross, random, layered, staple fibers, webs, filament layers, or a combination of both bonded by mechanical methods, adhesives applications, thermoplastic materials under application of heat and pressure. Classification of nanowinds can be classified into following ways of by the raw material, by the method of production, method of web preparation, arrangement of fibers in the web, method of bonding the fibers web by the structure. These are the types of the classification. Classification by raw material. Classification by raw material. Nanowinds are classified into raw material means first of all nanowinds made by fibers, nanowind made by filaments, nanowind made by threads, nanowind made by direct polymer, nanowind made by laminated fabrics. This is the one classification of the raw material. And classification by method of production. Nanowinds produced by making fibrous web followed by bonding of the web. Direct polymer to nanowind. Melt blown, spun bonded, spun laced nanowinds and laminated fabrics. Classification by method web preparation. Nanowinds produced by preparing the web by mechanical method, pneumatic methods, hydrodynamic method, electrostatic method, and directly from polymer to web. Classification by fiber orientation in the web. Fiber orientation means the fiber orientation is basically depends upon the three types. Normally, in which the directions of the fiber in the web vary from parallel laid, cross laid, and random laid webs. Classification by method of web bonding. Nonwovens produced by bonding the fibrous web by mechanical method, adhesive bonding, and thermal bonding. Next, the classification by method of web bonding. Nanowind produced by mechanical bonding fibrous web by mechanical method by using felting property, by using needle punching, stitch bonding without binding threads, stitch bonding with binding threads. Classification by method of web bonding. Classification of by method of web bonding. Nanowinds produced by thermal bonding, application of heat and pressure, point bonding between two pair of rollers, area bonding between two pair of rollers, pattern bonding, and application of ultrasonic bonding, and application of infrared waves. Classification by end use. Nanowinds produced for household applications, carpets, technical requirements, filtration nanowinds, geotechnical nanowinds, medical applications, and medical nanowinds. Technology and end use of applications of nanowinds. Technology was developed by totally depends upon the nanowind is highly technological. Parallel laid and orientations and cross laid they are the very special reasons for mechanical systems by technically used for direct polymer to web polymer and enthusiasm of orientation of fibers and mechanical systems, pneumatic system, and static charges. And by thus the technology and end use of applications are spun bonding, surgical gowns, diaper cover stocks, melt bone barriers, filters and face mask, needle punching, geotextiles, automotive fabrics, thermal bonding, upholstering, cushion pads, and hydro entangling called as wipes. So these are the different types of classifications are in the manufacturing techniques, and non-ovens are also raw materials are produced and mainly by the raw materials, method of productions, web of preparations, arrangement of fibers, and method of bondings by the structures. By raw material means different types of fibers or filaments or yarns, or maybe different types of slivers. By method of preparation means mechanical, pneumatical, and electrostatic different types of techniques are there. And method of web preparations are direct polymer web preparations, and arrangement of fiber webs is totally depends upon the stitch and without stitch bondings. And method of bondings means web bonding, thermal bonding, chemical bonding, and adhesive bonding. These are the very huge techniques to apply the bonding of raw material of the different ways. So these techniques are useful for the making different applications and different uses. Non-ovens, and non-ovens is a very low cost and a very low eliminated stages and very useful to the human beings, and very normal people also and middle class people also they can uh, use the applications of products. Thank you.